Okay, so it shouldn't be a surprise to anybody that we're back into USAT. It's been a great stock since I started here in January at PennyStockLive. I don't think we've lost on it yet, so hopefully this won't be the first time. What I'm looking at is good technical support at $2 a share. I put it on watch Monday morning, which was this candlestick here, and I said, $2 is good technical support, but I'm not getting in without news. Of course, the company drops news about an hour later into the market session Monday morning. Within 1 minute of the news, 100,000 shares had fired, and it moved about from 210 a share up to 225, which is where I jumped in. Of course, it pulled back and then it charged forward again, so I grabbed another 5,000 shares, giving me 10K at 225. Closes down on the day. There wasn't a lot of volume after that initial surge on news. So it didn't get the push that I was looking for, but it didn't necessarily crush me either, and I knew I liked it above 2 anyways. So, hold the 210 range, and I'm comfortable adding to my position. Luckily, the markets turned green, and the stock popped right above the 20 moving average this morning, which is Tuesday, June 14th, and the stock moved right up to 235 pretty nicely in the early part of the session. I mean, there were nothing but buys going off on the ask, and some pretty large orders got taken out today. So my hope is we move right through the MA50, which is this red line here, and the recent price action resistance at 243. Get above these two levels, and it should trade pretty nicely right up into the 250 and 260 range, which is why it was on my watch list Monday morning. So we'll see if it can continue. I like the candlesticks so far. It's the best 2-day candlestick pattern we've seen since the stock has dropped from 374. If you take a look at this day, that's a good candlestick, but it doesn't follow up. Then we get a good candlestick, but it doesn't follow up. So we have two bullish candlesticks here, and we took out a lot of sellers on the ask today. There were a lot of offers, pretty big offers, 5,000, 10,000, share orders getting taken out on the ask. So chewed up a lot of resistance today, get through this little resistance area here, and there's another 20, 30 cents to be had on this one, which make the trade very profitable for everybody at PennyStockLive. Indicators, which I don't put a lot of weight into, RSI obviously just broke the 50 line, MACD crossed the signal line, and the accumulation is starting to turn back up with buyers outweighing the sellers. So that's what you're looking at on USAT. Technically, $2 to 260, 270, great trade opportunity. There's 60 cents a share there, and it's been pretty reliable in this little channel. So I'm looking for anything around 260 as my sell point. And with any luck, it'll get really bullish and break through here. And if it does, then I think it could see $3 a share in the short term. Again, tiny market cap, so it doesn't take a lot to move this stock. Obviously, some shorts covering, maybe some good news by the company, and we can move this one back up. Again, I have 10,000 shares at 225 from my alert Monday morning, and currently I'm up about 7 cents a share or $700. All right, take it easy, everybody. That's the analysis on the USAT alert.